Gear position. Let's have a bit of understanding on how the gears inside the engine transmission work. High gear setting accelerate the car and maintain cruising speed. The second gear position, once the output shaft gears have slid, it brings into mesh a different pair of gears. This combination transmits medium speed and medium torque to the wheels so that the car can get up to its cruising speed. In the third high gear position, the smaller output shaft gear slid, it's collar locking the engine and output shafts together, and thus the engine's high speed and low torque are transmitted to the wheels for fast cruising. Some trucks have elaborate transmissions with 16 gear positions to use the engine's power most efficiently under all conditions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell for more upcoming video.